Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about 10 ways to deal with an angry girlfriend, specifically on how to convince her when she's upset. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, and it's important to approach these situations with empathy and understanding. 1. Start by listening to her. Let her vent her feelings and emotions without interrupting. 2. Validate her feelings. Acknowledge that her feelings are valid and understandable. 3. Avoid defensive responses. Don't make it about you. Focus on her feelings. 4. Don't try to fix everything. Sometimes just being there is enough. 5. Offer support and understanding. Let her know you're there for her. 6. Ask her what she needs. Communication is a two-way street. 7. Apologize if you're at fault. Own up to your mistakes. Point 8. Give her space if needed. Respect her need for time. Alone. 9. Show her love and affection. A simple hug or a kind word can go a long way. 10. Seek professional help if necessary. Don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, these are just guidelines, and every situation is unique. The most important thing is to be respectful, understanding, and supportive. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips and advice. Take care, and see you next time.